It's such an important day for Honeywell because we believe in giving back to the communities in which we live and work, and this Andrew P. Stewart Center is just exemplary of that.
We've assembled a team of about 30 people, and they are helping a broader community. It's actually extremely fulfilling.
So we'll have employees doing painting, gardening, sprucing up the inside, organizing, all to contribute back to the center. The work that we're doing here today is not only going to give back to the students who come to the center, but also to the people in the neighborhood and in the community. It'll give them a center that they can be proud of.
We're a small organization, but with this help and with this extra person power, it's just an incredible help for us. So thank you all so much.